kids, I am Miss Angela, and today I'm going to read you one of my favorite stories. It's called The Greedy Python. It's written by Richard Buckley and illustrated by Eric Carle. The Greedy Python. Do you think the word greedy is a good word? I don't think it is. It doesn't sound like it's too nice, greedy. So today I have a friend that is going to help us out. His name is Caw, and he looks a lot like this guy on my shirt. So maybe if I call for him, he'll come. Caw! Oh my goodness, there you are, my friend. Oh, how have you been? So Caw, we're talking about the greedy python. Is greedy a good thing, Caw? It is not a good thing. Greedy means that you go and you take more than you should. You take it all. If there was a tray of cookies and Mom said, just one cookie, and you go and you take all the cookies and you eat them all up, or you take all of the money, or you take all of the toilet paper, is that a good thing to be selfish and greedy and take it all for yourself? No, it's not. So sometimes when we become greedy, especially when Caw becomes greedy, he gets this crazy rainbow look in his eye. So if that happens, I'm going to need you guys to tell me Caw is being greedy. I need you guys to let me know. He's going to get a crazy rainbow look in his eye. And just in case he looks like the... Wait, what? Wait, he's looking like the guy on my shirt right now? Caw! Oh my goodness! Caw, why are you being so greedy? Is that a good choice? No, that is not a good choice, Caw. You need to go and only take one of something and be less greedy, okay? You go do that, and then we're going to find out if you've made good choices or bad choices. So being greedy is completely being selfish. You're just thinking of yourself. You always need to be sharing and caring, because sharing is caring. When we just take a little bit of something, that is not being greedy. We are sharing with other people and we are not being selfish, okay? I wonder if Caw made the good choices that we told him to do. He kind of had that greedy look in his eye, and I'm so glad my friends at home helped me out by telling me Caw was being greedy. You should always tell somebody you're being greedy. You should only take one or two. Caw, have you been not greedy anymore? Oh, okay. Are his eyeballs okay again? They are. They aren't all rainbowy anymore. So he has made some good choices. Good job, Caw. All right, friends, we are going to get started with our book, The Greedy Python, and I know Caw is super excited to hear it. All right, let's get started, friends. The Greedy Python, illustrated by Eric Carle, written by Richard Buckley. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever been, wound back and forth and in between. The giant snake was very strong and very long. He had a monstrous appetite. His stomach stretched from left to right. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creatures came in sight. A mouse that scampered to and fro, a frog that jumped up from below, a bat that hung from his left toe, a fish that swam a bit too slow, a bird that flew a bit too low. A porcupine still half asleep, a monkey who was in mid-leap. A leopard sitting in a tree, a buffalo who came to see. An elephant complete with trunk was swallowed in a single chunk. I'm far too big to eat, he cried. Oh, no, you're not, the snake replied. At last, the python's meal was done, and he lay resting in the sun. The animals inside his skin were making a quite dreadful din. And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel quite sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. He soon felt better, and what's more, was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail, long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. He closed his jaws on his own rear, then swallowed hard and disappeared. The end.